AI Sapiens, A Brave New World. Welcome to our video on how generative AI can potentially be used to explore opportunities in the financial markets. Please remember that while AI can provide valuable insights, investing in financial markets involves risks, and there are no guaranteed outcomes. Always exercise caution and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Generative AI models can be trained to analyze vast amounts of historical market data, searching for patterns and trends. These models can predict future market movements, helping investors identify potential opportunities. By processing historical price data, AI can recognize patterns that may repeat, such as cyclic market trends or recurring price fluctuations. Predictions generated by AI algorithms can serve as valuable tools for investors, guiding them in making informed decisions. Algorithmic trading. One of the significant advantages of generative AI in financial markets is algorithmic trading. AI-powered trading algorithms can analyze market conditions in real time and execute trades much faster than human traders. These algorithms can respond to changes in market conditions swiftly, capturing opportunities that might be missed by human traders. However, it's essential to keep in mind that while AI can automate the process, understanding the underlying strategies and implementing risk management is crucial for success. Sentiment analysis. Generative AI can also analyze market sentiment by processing vast amounts of data from news articles, social media, and other sources. By gauging market sentiment and investor behavior, AI can provide insights into how market participants are reacting to specific events, news, or economic indicators. This analysis can be a valuable addition to an investor's toolkit for making more informed trading decisions. Portfolio optimization. Another application of generative AI in financial markets is portfolio optimization. AI can help investors optimize their portfolios based on factors like risk tolerance, investment goals, and market conditions. By considering a broad range of assets and their performance, AI can suggest allocations that aim to maximize returns while managing risk. In conclusion, generative AI can be a powerful tool for investors in the financial markets, providing valuable insights, predicting market trends, and optimizing portfolios. However, it's important to remember that investing involves risk, and no strategy is foolproof. Always conduct thorough research, seek advice from financial professionals, and be cautious when implementing AI-based strategies in the market. Closing scene. A disclaimer appears on the screen regarding financial risks and the importance of consulting professionals. Investing in financial markets involves risk. Consult with a financial professional before making investment decisions. Host, thank you for watching, and remember to stay informed and make responsible decisions in your financial endeavors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy investing!